Alright, she's hung back up. Exactly. She's gonna get a closet door for that. Painted. Painted. And I've got this caulked in here. Caulk splash walls and everything. And sheetrock mud stuck to the sides of the cabinet. So cleaning this way, this shit just chipped. I'll cut a pretty line down to there and you won't, you just see a little spot there. But this one over here is gonna be a pain in the ass because somebody just got crazy with the shit all up in through here. So there you go. Caulk, gotta dry. I'll caulk my door too. I've already got a coat on this right here. This now it's paint this side of the door. I'll put one more coat on the other side. I'll go ahead and paint this and then put one more coat on the other side. Call it a day. Yeah. I'll enjoy. My caulking's gotta dry.